Tired of paying lawyers for basic legal documents? Did you know that getting basic legal documents drafted by a lawyer can cost you anywhere from $500 to $3,000? That's right, just for a simple terms and conditions document. But what if I told you that you could create a professionally written, legally sound document in just 5 minutes? For free? Look at this, I just generated this complete terms and conditions document using one of the free tools I'll show you today. Here at Digital Nomad Institute, we're all about finding smart solutions that let you run your business from anywhere in the world. And today, I'm going to show you how to protect your digital business without breaking the bank. In this video, you'll discover completely free terms and conditions generators, step-by-step instructions, which generator to avoid so you don't waste your time like I did. Watch how fast this is. Enter your website and company name, as well as your website URL. Then click on Submit. That took what? 30 seconds. While it's more basic than the others, it covers all the essential legal bases for a simple website or blog.
Now we're going to go over which ones to avoid. Now, if you type in free terms and conditions generator, this is what you're going to get, most likely. Okay. And it's all sponsored. Avoid this one. Okay. Avoid this one. Avoid this one, this one, this one. And I'm going to show you why. I'm going to click on one of them and I'm going to show you exactly why. So, whatever, accept. And then, you go to this supposedly free terms and conditions generator. You could click on website, and then I'm gonna go through just a little bit of it just to show you. Let's go to that. Next, next. Uh, And basically, they charge you. That's what I'm trying to get at. Hold on. But I want to show you with proof, so you don't have to go through this. Because I actually went through this several times. All right. And I'm just going through this so you don't have to. It's quite involved. All right, let me just go to publish. Then they ask you for account, and then you get like depending on what you pick, certain options are free, but most of them are paid.
Here is an example of one of the many fake free terms and conditions website. Now, I need to be clear. If your business involves complex legal situations, regulated industries, or significant user data handling, please consult with a legal professional. These generators are great for basic protection, but they're not a replacement for legal advice in complex situations. Have you used any legal document generators before? Drop a comment below and share your experience. Remember, being location independent doesn't mean being unprotected. Use these tools to safeguard your digital business and keep building that nomad dream.